Okay, so this is the 2023 Higher Level Maths paper for Junior Cert question 3. The students in a transition year mini company make and sell candles. They buy a solid rectangular block of wax measuring 35 by 45 by 16 centimeters. Work out the volume of the block of wax. So that's fairly straightforward. It's just a case of multiplying the three numbers. So the volume is going to be 35 times 45 times 16. It's length by width by height. So that's 200, and that's centimeters cubed. Make sure you write down the units. Next one. The students are going to use this wax to make candles in the shape of cylinders. Each candle will have a radius r and a height of 9 centimeters. Work out the volume of each candle in terms of r and pi. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. So in this case, it's going to be pi times r we don't know. The height we do know is 9. So I'll just rewrite that as 9 pi r squared. Again, it's a volume, so that's centimeters cubed. Okay, next one then is part C. The student makes 100 candles from the block of wax. In making the candles, 10% of the wax in the block is wasted. Use this information to work out the value of or the radius of each candle. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. Well, the volume of the block of wax was 200 centimeters cubed. So we want 90% of this because 10% is going to be wasted. So we want 90% of 25200. So you can just do that on your calculators and you'll get 22680. So this is what's going to go into making the actual candles. So they make 100 of these. So we're going to take each candle. Each candle is a cylinder, so that's pi r squared h. So pi is pi r squared and h is 9. The height of each candle is 9. Now we want 100 of these, and that's going to be equal to 22680. So let's just isolate r here. Well, we'll isolate r squared first. That's going to be 22680. All of these things on the left-hand side are multiplied, so we can just divide by all of them. So it's 100 times 9 times pi. Okay, next thing we're going to do is just square root both sides. So that will give us our r then. So r is equal to the square root of 22680 over 100 times 9 times pi. That's easy enough to do on your calculators. And remember, they say up here that they want their answer to one decimal place. So to one decimal place, you should get 2.8. And again, remember to put in the units, centimeters. So that's it for this question.